Hey tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Realtecshop, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech. Today, we've got something really special for you. We're unboxing and reviewing the HP newest 15.6-inch Essential Rose Gold laptop. This beauty not only looks stunning with its rose gold finish, but it also packs some impressive features. Stick around to see if this could be your next perfect laptop. Let's dive right in and see what HP has packed into this sleek package. But before we do that, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update from us. Alright, let's get this box open. HP has done a great job with their packaging. It's neat and secure, ensuring that everything arrives in perfect condition. And here it is, the HP 15.6-inch Essential Rose Gold laptop. Just look at that finish. It's absolutely gorgeous. Along with the laptop, we have a few more accessories in the box. We have the power adapter, a sleek wireless mouse that matches the laptop, and a portable 512GB drive for extra storage. HP has also included a quick start guide and warranty information. First impressions? This laptop is not only beautiful but also incredibly slim and light. It features a full-sized keyboard, a large touchpad, and a fingerprint reader for quick and secure logins. The 15.6-inch display is vibrant and perfect for both work and entertainment. Now, let's talk about what's under the hood. This laptop is powered by an AMD Ryzen 3-core processor, paired with 16GB of RAM. This combo promises smooth performance, whether you're multitasking, streaming, or working on demanding projects. Storage-wise, it has a 128GB SSD for fast boot times and quick access to your most used applications. On top of that, HP has included a 512GB portable drive, giving you plenty of space for all your files and media. We put this laptop through its paces, running multiple applications simultaneously. It handled everything we threw at it with ease, thanks to the 16GB of RAM. Even gaming was a breeze, with smooth graphics and no noticeable lag. One of the standout features of this laptop is its long-lasting battery. HP promises all-day battery life, and in our tests, it lived up to the claim. From morning to night, whether you're working, streaming, or gaming, this laptop keeps going without needing a recharge. So, what do we think of the HP newest 15.6-inch Essential Rose Gold laptop? It's a fantastic choice if you're looking for a stylish, high-performance laptop with excellent battery life and a versatile storage solution. The addition of the wireless mouse and fingerprint reader adds to the overall value, making it a great all-rounder for both work and play. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who loves good tech, this laptop is worth considering. Don't forget to check the links in the description for the best deals and more information. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the HP 15.6-inch Essential Rose Gold laptop. And if you haven't already, subscribe to and join our tech community. See you in the next video.